My name is Tom. Welcome to the Rustic Log Cabin in Northern Maine. I'm coming to you today from the Beaver Creek deer hunting camp. I've come in here today to have some lunch, make some videos for you guys. I'm going to build a fire right here. But anyways, I'm going to build me a small fire right here. I'm going to use this birch bark that I picked up on the way in. There's plenty of dry tinders all the way around me for building a nice little small campfire. So I'm going to get that going. And then I got a little chickadee off here to one side of me. So then I'm going to get that going, and I'm going to have some lunch, enjoy the day. I'd like to say the first cup of coffee too, but you all know that would be a lie. Got this fire going today. I'm going to put on a stick. I've got a pork steak that I'm going to cut up into bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to put that on there and roast that with some onions. And that will be my supper here for the first campfire at Beaver Creek Deer Camp. Spring. I'll be fishing next week. I come over here today just to spend the day, look around, hunt for some deer sign. Tomorrow I've got to work on the boat, get that ready for open water fishing. Basically just uncover it, clean out some leaves, fire up the motors, and away we go. But this is a kind of a special fire. This is the very first one. So I wish it was a cloudy day. It was supposed to be a cloudy day. The wind came up, and this fire has gotten rid of the black flies. While I was in here scooting around the property, I kicked up a few rabbits. And I've also been listening to some turkeys in here today. So lots and lots of game, lots of moose sign, lots of buck sign. So this piece of property has got my attention. Like I said earlier in the video, this is wetlands. That's one of the reasons why the cost of it is so cheap. But being wetlands, this is where the animals live. And around this piece is timberland, which is actively cut. So there's lots of food for the deer, lots of food for the rabbits. And as I can see, there's lots of raspberry bushes and stuff like that for the turkeys and the ruffed grouse. Because I have been seeing partridge and turkeys and everything you can imagine that's in the Maine woods, I have stumbled across in this piece of wood. So I am very excited for the future plans and for the future of my grandsons. We have big plans for this piece of property now. Doesn't that look good? Sure tastes good. Right, full smoke. Very good. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want to follow the series here on the new piece of property, subscribe to the channel, throw me a bone, hit the like button, and let YouTube know that you want to see my stuff. So, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.